Okay, we got an old farmhouse set up out here in Lancaster. On the main roof, there's 3 layers of shingles and 2 layers of asphalt and 1 layer of wood shake that has to be removed and sheeted. The lower front porch is the same. You can see how thick the shingles are built up there. They got little apron roofs that go from left to right, so we want to make sure that we address those and get those up nice and neat and cleaned up. Got a little bay on the side with the flashing tard to the wall. This is a flat roof that delivers down in this gutter, and then the upper roof's delivering that. The problem with one of the complications is we've got the strap hung gutter system that's going to have to come off to tear the roof off. And then obviously you can go back on as strap hung, or give them the option to pull out the fascia boards and give us a fascia mount like this lower flat roof. So we want to get the numbers on the house, get it together. And then over on the garage, we've got 2 layers on the left that's got sheathing on it, 3 layers on the right, including the wood shakes. So this flat roof right here has got a parapet wall that goes level all the way from front to back, and the flat roof itself has a pitch. Well, it's accumulating all of the debris from the trees. So what I'm going to option out is just coming out, sistering in off of these joists and delivering, getting rid of the parapet, delivering the load out here, and putting in a gutter, maybe a piece of gutter helmet on the side of that building, so that way all of the debris, instead of just laying up on that roof, at least can go off the edge. So we'll set that up for a separate option. So we'll get it together. A lot of work on this thing. And then, oh yeah, the chimney, the brick chimney is going to come down to below the roof line. It's not operable anymore.